Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, your go-to guide for all things travel. My name is Samuel, and I'm a seasoned traveler with a passion for exploring the unknown. Over the years I've journeyed through bustling cities, tranquil countrysides, and everything in between. I've learned that the secret to truly enjoying travel lies not just in the destination, but in the journey itself. Today, I'll be sharing with you some of my top tips to make your travel dreams a stress-free reality. So buckle up and let's embark on this exciting adventure together. Imagine the sound of waves crashing on the shore or the sight of towering mountains surrounding you. These aren't just fantasies, but realities waiting for you in the world of travel. The magic of travel lies in its ability to gift us fresh perspectives, new experiences, and unforgettable memories. It's not just about changing locations, but altering the very way we see and understand the world. The key to truly savoring these experiences? A stress-free journey. But how can one turn these travel dreams into a stress-free reality? The answer lies in our 10 amazing tips. Venturing into the unknown is exciting, but planning is your first step towards a stressless journey. In the spirit of adventure, we often forget the importance of planning. But let's think about it. When we're exploring new places, wouldn't it be more enjoyable if we knew what to expect? That's where planning comes in. Start by researching your destination. Get to know its culture, its people. This not only enriches your travel experience but also fosters respect and understanding between you and the locals. Next, check the weather. Knowing what Mother Nature has in store will help you pack appropriately and schedule your activities better. Then familiarize yourself with the local laws. This could save you from unnecessary trouble and ensure a smoother journey. And finally, craft a well-planned itinerary. This doesn't mean scheduling every minute. Rather, it's about having a general flow of what you want to see and do. Remember, a well-planned journey is half the battle won. Traveling light and packing smart is an art that frequent travelers master over time. When it comes to packing, less is often more. Start by choosing your luggage wisely. It's not about the size but how you utilize the space. Packing cubes are your best friends. They help you organize your belongings and maximize space. Clothes, for instance, take up less room when rolled rather than folded. This method also minimizes wrinkles, making you look fresh and ready upon arrival. Focus on packing only the essentials. If you haven't used it in the last 6 months, chances are you won't need it on your trip. Remember, the world is full of shops. Travel-sized toiletries are another space saver. Not only do they comply with airport regulations, but they also leave room for souvenirs on your return trip. Packing smart leaves you stress-free and ready to tackle the journey ahead. Your safety and well-being should always be your top priority. With that in mind, let's delve into some of the key aspects of ensuring safety during your travels. First off, travel insurance. It's like a safety net that eases your mind, knowing you're covered should anything go awry. From trip cancellations to medical emergencies, travel insurance has got you covered. Next, keep your emergency contacts handy. These numbers are your lifeline in unfamiliar territory, whether it's local law enforcement or the nearest embassy. Informing family or friends about your travel plans is also vital. It means someone always knows where you are, which can be a huge relief in case of unexpected situations. And let's not forget, maintaining caution in unfamiliar surroundings is a must. Be aware of your surroundings, respect local customs, and avoid risky areas, especially at night. Remember, your journey should be filled with new experiences and joy, not worries and anxieties. When safety is assured, stress is kept at bay. Money matters can often be a stress point when traveling, but with a little planning, you can make sure your travel goes smoothly. Start by carrying some local currency. It's a good idea to have it handy for small purchases, or in case card transactions aren't possible. Next, inform your bank about your travel plans. This will prevent any unexpected freezes on your account due to sudden foreign transactions. Budgeting is also crucial. Get a rough estimate of your daily expenses and try to stick to it. Include accommodation, meals, transport, and a little extra for souvenirs or unexpected costs. Lastly, always keep some emergency cash. This is your safety net in case of unexpected situations. You never know when you might need it, from a sudden taxi ride to an irresistible local treat. Remember, financial preparedness is not about restricting yourself, it's about being smart with your money. Financial preparedness can make your travel experience smooth and stress-free. Travel is unpredictable, embrace it. That's the beauty of it, isn't it? The unexpected detours, the last-minute changes, the sudden delays, they're not mishaps, they're part of the journey. Traveling is not just about reaching a destination, it's about the experiences, the stories, the memories. So when things don't go as planned, don't stress. Adapt, be flexible. See it as an opportunity to explore something new, something unplanned. With flexibility, you can turn any situation into an opportunity for a new adventure. To travel is to live, they say, and we couldn't agree more. Reflecting on our journey through this video, we've discovered more than just 10 tips for a stressless travel experience. We've explored a whole new perspective on how to approach our adventures. Let's take a moment to revisit these pearls of wisdom. Firstly, we tapped into the magic of travel, acknowledging that the joy of discovery is not just about the destination, but also the journey. Embracing the unknown, we learned, is where the real magic begins. Next, we delved into the importance of planning. A well-laid plan, we found, is the first step to a stressless travel experience. From researching our destination to booking accommodations, planning is indeed key. In our third scene, we talked about packing. Packing smart, we realized, is as crucial as planning. It's not just about what to pack, but how to pack. The right packing strategy can make a world of difference to our travel experience. Scene 4 was all about safety. In our quest for adventure, we must never overlook safety. We learned that being mindful of our surroundings and staying informed about local customs and regulations is paramount. Moving on to financial preparedness, we understood that managing finances wisely is a cornerstone of stressless travel. Budgeting, saving, and being prepared for emergencies are essential aspects of financial planning for travel. Embracing flexibility, our penultimate tip, taught us that while planning is crucial, so is being open to change. Sometimes the most memorable experiences come from unplanned moments. So, as we wind down this journey, let's remember that each of these tips is a key ingredient in the recipe for a stressless travel experience. They're not just tips, they're tools. Tools that empower us to explore, discover, and experience the world with less stress and more joy. With these tips in your travel toolkit, a stressless and enjoyable travel experience awaits you. So, where will your next adventure be? Thank you for joining us on this journey. Your time and attention mean the world to us. You're not just viewers, but fellow travelers in our adventure-filled world. If you found these tips helpful and want to stay updated with more travel advice and guides, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We're eager to share more insights, tips, and tales from our travels with you. We hope this video empowers you to embrace your next adventure with confidence and joy. Remember, the world is yours to explore, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. See you in the next video.